My name is Ryan Maiden. I'm the shop manager here at Parker 4-Wheel Drive, and I've been with C for 4 years now. My favorite part of working at Parker 4-Wheel Drive is just the family environment, how close we are as a group together, working together to get everything done. When the employees are happy to be here and excited to work, it creates a lot better work environment, one for the technicians and the management, but also it puts out better work for the customer. Obviously, if you're not happy where you're working or your job, then obviously the production goes down, the quality goes down. So having everyone on the same page, everyone coming to work to make sure that we're taking care of customers, it really helps out to make sure that the customers' vehicles are getting done correctly, efficiently, and with no comebacks or any issues like that. We pride ourselves on doing the right thing, on inspecting vehicles thoroughly, doing the job efficiently, making sure that we're not here just for a paycheck, and that we take pride in what we do. Everyone here, technicians, management, ownership, everyone from the front to back is here for a reason, and I think that shows in the quality of work that we put out.